How to block someone on Instagram on iPhone. Hey guys, welcome. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to block someone on Instagram using your iPhone. So let's get into it. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up Instagram app on your mobile phone and you will get right here. Now we can block anyone on Instagram really easily. So for that, you will actually have to open up that profile. For instance, I want to block this profile right here. So for that, we will have to click on these three dots at the top right corner, and then you will get the restrict, block, and report option. We have other options as well. Click on block, and we can block just one account and the other accounts they may create as well. Confirm, and the account will be blocked. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.